What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and you're wondering, how do you get your display to look so awesome? Why does it look so delicious? Well, I'm going to show you. It's very simple. As we all know, this comes with an amazing display, but I'm going to tell you, out the box, you're not using it to its full capability. Now, if you're worried about battery life, then this is not for you. But if you're not worried about battery life and you carry a charger around, do what you got to do, this is going to use up a little more battery than if you just have the standard settings. But I guarantee you, your display is going to look this gorgeous. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings. You're going to go into display, and you're going to go into motion smoothness right there. Now you want that on adaptive because that's going to have your animations and scrolling to be a refresh rate of up to 120 Hertz, and that means everything's going to be super smooth. Now if you have it on standard, you're going to save battery, but it's not going to be as smooth. So make sure you have that on adaptive, and then you hit apply. Once you hit apply, you're going to have that smooth goodness. Now the other thing that you want to do is, once you're into the display settings, is you want to go to screen mode, and you want to put that on vivid. Okay, now you could have a little warmer or cooler. You could set those settings if you want, that's fine. But now what you want to do is you want to go into advanced settings and make sure your vividness is all the way up. You want it all the way up, cranked, looking good, and this is how good your display is going to look. And then once you do that, you're going to go back out to display, and then you're going to go down to screen resolution. This is probably one of the most important settings if you want your display to look amazing. Is you go into screen resolution, and then you're going to pick QHD or Quad HD, because that's 3120 by 1440. It comes out the box at 2340 by 1080. Now that's going to save some battery life. But I'm telling you, you hit that QHD, then you hit apply, and then your display is going to look absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Doesn't that just look good? And with the anti-reflective coating on here that they have on this S25 Ultra, trust me, you're going to love using your device because it just looks so gorgeous. You're never going to have an issue. It's just, everything just looks like it pops. You know what I mean? So just keep that into consideration when you're using your device. And you're asking, what's it look like in dark mode? Well, I'm going to show you. We're going to go back to display. We're going to hit dark. Look at that. Everything is just perfect. You don't have to worry about anything. You go back into ESPN. There's your dark mode. I personally like light mode, but I wanted to show you exactly what the dark mode looks like in this goodness of this display that I have here. So this is all you need to know. That's how you do it. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm Android Stud. Take care.